Bounty Swift, a leader in hardware, blends craftsmanship and unique design. Our mission? Trend-setting handles, customizable for diverse home styles. Committed to eco-friendly practices, we introduce ancient bronze treatment, transforming handles into artifacts with historical significance. The meticulous process imparts a deep, elegant bronze hue, adding timeless charm to home decor. Each handle becomes unique, blending modern design with traditional craftsmanship, emerging as artistic elements leading the fashion wave. Maintenance tips ensure handles withstand time, becoming expressions of elegance. For those seeking ancient bronze allure, Bounty Swift excels. Handles transcend function, becoming timeless expressions of art. Embark on an enchanting journey, celebrating tradition and elegance. Contact us at www.bountyswift.com or jessica@info.bountyswift.com. Bounty Swift offers diverse designs, each telling a story of excellence. Immerse yourself in the allure of ancient bronze craft with Bounty Swift. We redefine hardware aesthetics, bringing timeless elegance. Our commitment to innovation sets new standards for handles. Explore the charm of ancient bronze with Bounty Swift. Celebrate the fusion of tradition and contemporary elegance. Bounty Swift, your reliable supplier for timeless hardware handles.